Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, Young Vacants. I'm here in Aguinid Falls. This is my first time here. And it's so amazing. They said we have lots of downpours here. And I'm excited to look at it. Here's my friend Lulu. We failed in Dao, so Dao recommended to let us drop here, so we'll see. This is Aguinid, guys. Aguinid Falls, located here in Sambuan, southern part of Cebu. So excited here. This is the reception area here. So you have to register, pay something for the gear, up to from level 1 up to level 8 of downpours of falls. I don't know. I'm so excited. I don't know how it is. So if for the regular up to the 8th level, you have to pay 300, Miss, no? So you can invite. Okay.
Okay guys, so come and visit Aguinid Falls so you can see the upstream. So hope you enjoy.
Okay. So okay guys, see you there. Mwah. So gearing up. So gearing up here. For protection, you have to wear this, guys. And they also have the shoes there. Over there. So Lulu, getting ready.
Yeah.
Are you set? I think I am. Naka-shades pa.
Maybe we can follow your.
Yeah, you should follow.
Thank you so much for choosing
Yeah,
our
so excited.
WATERFALLS to your one of the
Yeah, you
tourist
can invite.
destination. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for having us
Here.
here. So
Yeah.
don't forget to choose the Aguinid WATERFalls.
Yeah,
It's not just only sightseeing, but more is there is
Adventure.
activities inside. You're gonna go climbing.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. By the way, my name is Natsuki Monkey, and I'm the one who guide also with Kaloy in Bisayang Hilaw.
So
With
you.
Zoe, yeah.
So what's your number? You can say your
Yeah.
number.
Anyway,
Contact.
they can have me in my Instagram.
Okay, what's the
Natsuki Monkey.
Oh, Natsuki Monkey,
Yeah,
guys.
thank you so much,
Okay,
guys.
Natsuki Monkey. Follow it up. That's me, guys. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Thank you so much, mom. It's really nice.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna
Ready
follow you.
now. We're going. Padong nami sa Aguinid Falls. Mo ni siya agian. Hello. Manoy.
River
Oh. River walk.
River walk.
Mo ni siya. Lolo, are you okay, Lo?
Yes, I'm fine.
So, guys, actually, our destination is in Dao Falls. But then, unfortunately, it's closed. But still, it's not unfortunate because that guy in Dao suggested to visit here, this Aguinid Falls, still here in Sambuan. And it's so exciting because they said it has 8 levels of falls. Oh my God. I never expected that. So, stay tuned, stay with us. Let's see how it is. Excited here. Lolo, are you excited? Hi. This is really an adventure. Unplanned.
Kung mag-swim ka, paano na mo nang mag-swim?
So,
Mag-swim ka.
yeah. Look at the falls. Manoy. Doon na ta, Manoy. Daghan sad mo ari dere. Oo. Dugay na ka dere? O taga dere jud ka?
Pagsugod naman, 2014.
Kano saan ni nagsugod?
2014.
Oo. Kuya, wagod aning falls ninyo nga 8th level?
Sa una, 5 levels na kutob
Oo,
ma'am.
karon
Balik
8.
dire. Karon level 8 na.
Wow.
Lain na yung agyanan to.
Oh, excited ha. I'm excited to see it.
Zero.
So guys, mao ni level 0. Wow. 0 pa ni guys ha. Kani nga level 0 pa ni. Olo? Hi, Lo.
Hi.
Level 0 na ta.
Wala little one?
Wapa.
Wala ka?
Lo, hi, Lo. How is it? Oh, Lo. Guys, pasaka namin. Padong level 1. Wow. Zero level pa to ha. Sana ni. OMG. We're going up to level 1 yet. Woo! Oh my. Hello. Hello. Aguinid Falls, guys. It has 8 levels of falls. Wow.
Every level, 3 minutes walk.
Every level, 3 minutes walk. So what's this?
Level 1.
So this is the level 1. Okay, guys. Level 1. Yeah. Okay. Kami, we're only up to level 2. Kaya wa mi ma-ready aning level 8. So,
Labang mo dia, setengah ramu ah.
ha?
Labang mo dia.
Amulabang mi?
Ya, are ko
Ano
dire.
agi?
Are ko dire mo picture. Dia labang ba? Nanay pa to.
Kani ubos ako. Ano nila ba?
Oh, kada.
Amulabang ka.
At reach over there ito.
Okay.
Ako le picture setengah lang. Video capture daw. Sana capture video capture. Galaw. Yo, video capture. Movie with picture. Let's get.
OMG guys! Aguinid Falls! Lulu! Hi!
Dito bang, dito bang.
Oh my, what a falls guys! La la la! Wow! Done! So guys, level 1, you know?
That's part of video one.
Last part of level 1. Here guys. Lulu! Wani ang level 1. Last part sa level 1. Going down. There. I'm going Aguinid Falls guys. Wow. Super duper nice. OMG. Look at that. Yee, excited here. Guys, going up to level 2 nami. Here in Aguinid Falls. Lulu, are you okay? Yeah. Lala. Kapit kamay, mga kaibigan. Okay. So level 2 pa ni guys ha. Imagine that this is level 2 yet. Here in Aguinid Falls. Wow. There. Hello. So this is the level 2 guys. Level 2 na. Wow, look at the view. It's amazing. OMG. Woo. And finally here, level 3. OMG. Look at that, guys. Wow, level 3, guys. Aguinid Falls. OMG. Look at that. Oh, imagine going up to level 3. You have to pass this way. Wow. Guys, can you imagine this one? Going up to level 3, you have to pass this way. Uy, yayla. Diha ka mo sa kaliha. Diha. Oh. Going up to level 3. Hindi ko kaya. Cannot imagine. And imagine, it's up to level 8. So level 2 pa ni guys. Level 2 pa ni. Uy, yayla. Aguinid Falls! Come and visit here! Manoy, kailan na ni ka tuig na rin Manoy ka nag-start na rin?
Start ni ma'am, 2014.
Na rin na ni. Pero safe na dyan na rin.
Sige.
Ha? Wala ka ikuha na rin ka ng baha-baha o sana.
Manag sa baha.
Oo?
Nay baha, dili pasudlon ko.
Okay.
Every level na emergency except
So every level na ay emergency exit guys. So safe na dyan na rin. Oh, so come and visit Aguinid Falls here in Sambuan, Cebu City. It's very nice. Oh la la, look at that. Oh. Woo. Wow, look at that. Ligo sa ko ha, ligo sa ko. Nindot ka, water. Ligo sa ko. Mwah. Hi guys! Manaog me back to level 1. So, mauni siya. Hello! Are you having fun? Yes. Yeah. Wala to sa States, ha? Only here in Cebu.
Nakaniniring na.
No, not in the States. She came from the States, guys. And she's having fun. She loves her vacation. So, level 2, again in Falls, guys. So, manaog kami nililo back to level 1. Okay. Hello guys. I just came from level 2 and imagine guys you have up to level 8 here in Aguinid Falls. You have level 8 up to level 8 downpours of waterfalls or whatsoever. And it's so beautiful, it's so amazing. Wow! But level 2 ragid ko taman. I cannot imagine going up. But here are some of the guides here. And they would make sure na safe good ang inyong, if you will visit here, they can assure you na safe good siya. So, ano yung name na to, sir?
Si John Tay ko, ma'am.
John P. and say?
Macario, ma'am.
Macario. So, Sir John, ilan na ka-years mo din nag-work?
We start at 2011.
2011.
Yes,
Ano ito,
start
sir?
2015.
So, 2011, 2015. So, during all those years, safe na gid ni diri, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sorry. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Actually, every level, we have an exit area just in case.
So, in case of naisinda ko sa bako na baha.
I mean, the guides, all the guides are monitoring also the water.
The water.
Just in case it changes.
Mo
There's
bitaw,
some hidden.
nahadlok ko, coming up a while ago, nahadlok ko kay December ba ya, basin na ibaha or something. But, you guys have assured us na safe na yun.
You don't worry about it.
Yeah. And actually, it's really, really beautiful, guys, here. It's so beautiful. Amazing. Oh my God, look at the falls there. Oh, Nulo here. So, are you open every day?
Yeah,
Or up to-
except Wednesday. Wednesday is closed for cleaning.
Okay.
Just to pick some plastic, empty bottle or
Okay.
mask, something like that.
So, they can just book or wala na pwede ra kanang para namo nga diretso lang ni
Yeah,
okay ra na. Oh.
Walk or at Aguinid, Waterfalls, that
Pero
day.
wala mo yung check-in rooms whatsoever. Wala mo yung
Wala may marong pero na may kahatang available sa
so guys, if you wanna stay here overnight, they don't have rooms here in the actual area, but that's like I recommend where you can stay if you're planning to stay longer, like overnight. So it's really beautiful, guys. It's really amazing falls up to level 8 with siya, but hindi ko kakaya maabot dito. You have to pay 300 if you're going up to level 8. But kami, level 2 lang ni kay. Di pa mi anak adventurous, but it's so beautiful. Come and visit here, Aguinid Falls. So beautiful.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes, bye-bye.
bye.
And then subscribe to Young Vacants. Yeah. Ma'am, thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay, some visitors are coming, guys. Katong ni Saka ganina up to level 8 daw to sila. Wow. Kani I'm sure mag level 8 sa ni sila. Now kami, guys. So guys, we're done and the experience is so amazing. I never thought that Aguinid is really this wonderful. So thank you atong nag-recommend na mo sa Dao Falls. Kay wa mi na dayon because it's closed. So he recommended it here in Aguinid Falls. So guys, if you have time, you have chance, come and visit Aguinid Falls. It's really, really amazing. They have 8 downpours. 8 level of downpours. So it's located here in Sambuan. So to keep updated with my vlog, so please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel, Young Vacants. Love you. See you again next time. So guys, mag-lunch na mi guys.
Okay, thank you.
Bangus ni siya. Hello. Hi. They prepared lunch for us. And it's bangus plus a coco juice, boko juice. Yeah. Oh, mag-lunch na mi. Hi, girl.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Saan name mo?
Joanne, ma'am.
Oh, the best entertainer here. Sa lunch na mi, guys.
Ma'am, kuhan magsili. Kailangan magsili.
Yeah, please. May migsili. Kalami. Ay, kalami sa bangos. Oh, lala.
Ug kuan day nay namoy kanang tissue day. Tapon